see everybody. Thanks for coming. All right, I have the good fortune of getting to turn the amazing research that our research teams do into the products that you all use every day and the APIs that you all build on every day. I thought we'd start with some audience engagement here. So on the count of three, I want to count to three, and okay, you got to do it, right? 1, 2, 3.
Real-time API.
I'll say personally, I'm super excited about our distillation products. I think that's going to be really interesting. I'm also excited to see what you all do with advanced voice mode. I've got my CEO here in the hot seat. Let's see if I can't make a career-limiting move. So we'll start this. We'll start with an easy one, Sam. How close are we to AGI?
You know, we used to, every time we finished a system, we would say, like, in what ways is this not an AGI? You kind of like make a little robotic hand that does a Rubik's Cube or a Dota bot. And it's like, oh, it does some things, but definitely not an AGI. It's obviously harder to say no. And so we're trying to like stop talking about AGI as this general thing, and we have this levels framework because the word AGI has become so overloaded. So like, real quickly, we use 1 for chatbots, 2 for reasoners, 3 for agents, 4 for innovators, 5, can do really quite impressive cognitive tasks. It's a very smart model. It doesn't feel AGI like in a few important ways, but I think if you just do the one next step of making it, very agent-like, which is on level 3, and which I think we will be able to do in the not distant